Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel with another video. As you guys can see here, Honda has launched something very big last week and they did a major update on the new Honda Hornet version 2.0. So as you can see here, I'm pretty much psyched to review this bike. So before we start this video, if you are coming here for the very first time, make sure you guys just hit the subscribe button and do like this video. So without wasting any more time, let's start this video guys. Hey guys, I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around of the all new Honda Hornet version 2.0 which Honda launched last week. And as you can see here, the major update is that Honda has introduced the chunky golden anodized Showa inverted forks with radially mounted Nissin brake calipers. But sadly, we don't know the exact specification of this new upside down forks, but the other new features includes all new LED headlights and turn indicators both up front and at the rear. So this is something really cool which we never expected. So it's a biggest surprise. Now coming down to the engine specification, the all new Honda Hornet version 2.0 is powered by a new updated 184.40cc 4-stroke BS6 motor with 5-speed gearbox. The engine produces 17.27 PS of power at 8500 rpm and 16.1 Nm of max torque at 6000 rpm. The fuel system is PGM-FI with a self-start. Coming to the chassis, the Hornet version 2.0 uses a diamond type frame with upside down forks at front and monoshock at the rear. Talking about the tires, this bike features 140 by 70 17-inch tubeless tires at the rear and 110 by 70 17-inch tires up front. Talking about the brakes, the bike is equipped with a 270 pedal disc with single channel ABS up front and 220 pedal disc at the rear. The pedal disc helps to dissipate more heat and maintain excellent braking efficiency. Overall, the height is 1064 mm and the wheelbase of this motorcycle is 1355 mm. The ground clearance of the new Hornet is 167 mm. The fuel tank capacity is 12 liters with an aggressive looking tank design. This is adequate for city and long distance commutes. The BS6 update makes it more fuel efficient than before thanks to the all new PGM-FI BS6 engine guys. The curb weight of this bike is 142 kgs. Coming to the switch gears and speedometer, Honda has updated the bike with new set of switch gears and finally included an on-off engine kill switch along with the hazard light indicator. The bodywork and switch gears are made out of good premium quality materials. The bike features all full digital liquid crystal meter unit which includes tachometer, speedometer, gear position indicator, battery voltmeter, service due indicator, time and other telltale lights. You have 4 different color options to choose from. The price starts at ex-showroom Kerala of rupees 1,32,037 rupees. The additional features include the inclusion of hazard light indicators, key on tank and the Street Fighter looks with split seats. Honda is offering 6 years of warranty package which will give you peace of mind for the long run. So that's it with my overview impression of the Honda Hornet version 2.0. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. So this is Mithun saying ciao, ride safe, peace guys. So guys, if you want to check out this bike in flesh, feel free to visit EVM Honda Trivandrum. I will put their phone number and address in the description box, so please go check out. So special thanks to them for providing us with the bike. Thanks for watching guys. Please do subscribe to my channel.